trying to film you. I'm trying to film you.
Trying to pinch my booty hole and take
No, Andrew. That's not what I'm doing. I'm just playing with my nice boyfriend. Getting him in the good spot. Booty.
It's not okay.
Get in the voice.
This is abuse. It's going on in America. It's most abuse that's on videos.
I see a smile on your face.
Using your feet.
No one said it was off limits. Oh God, the boyfriend has turned against her. Oh. Andrew, it's caught on camera.
Caught on camera doing what? They can't see nothing.
Whatever murderous act you do is gonna be caught on camera. Andrew.
Yes.
The girlfriend has done nothing really good to you. Get back. Get back.
Ow.
Ah! You lose, Andrew. I was supposed to be cutting your hair.
Cut my hair. Cut my hair.
Are you from the
Cut my hair, woman.
country now? I'm trying to get the good spot. I'm trying to find the juice. The root of it all. The root of all his evil.
The root of all evil.
Yes. Andrew. Is there anything right there? Oh, I know where it is. You shouldn't be allowed to hold me down. Andrew, I'm gonna get you. No. 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 Andrew. Ow. Andrew, I'm supposed to be cutting your hair. Don't you remember? So you can't be doing this to you, the girl. You're supposed to be cutting your hair.
I'd rather be doing this.
No! Get away. Andrew. Oh, sorry. Sorry. This is what you should be doing. Stop. I've ordered you to stop. It's caught on film, Andrew.
Good.
How you abuse your girlfriend
I want everybody to see.
for the world to see.
I want everybody to see.